And so I am clear that I think that we will succeed because of the thoroughness of our argument, but most importantly, also more determined to see this through so the people have a right to make the choice for themselves of who they think should be mayor. First of all, they've got to go to the Supreme Court. We're taking that process. We're taking that step. I know you guys would like to look around the corner. That's your job. My job, as you know, just about a half hour ago, the lawyers filed both a stay as well as an opinion in front of the Supreme Court. I think the first thing I'm doing, as I said to you, I believe in the position that we've taken, that working for President Obama as Chief of Staff at his request does not mean I gave up my residency, and that, two, owning a home here with things like my wife's wedding dress in the house, paying property taxes, voting, means I didn't give up my residency. I just had been elected to Congress only 2 years ago, and I believe the people of the city of Chicago deserve to make that choice. I know you guys, I think the main thing is to continue to talk to voters directly, hear their concerns. Obviously, there will be a legal process that will take place, but the most important thing is my determination and my sense of certainty, not certainty, but confidence, in the sense that in the end, we will be on the ballot so people have that option to vote.